Hello everyone, welcome to my guys. Have you ever experienced listening to someone who talks too much? Like someone who always shares everything about his or her life, someone who keep bubbling every day, na nakikinig mo, nakakasama mo sa office, classmate mo, workmate mo, or even a friend na kapitbahay mo. You know what? These people, based on the study na nabasa ko, bakit these people keeps on sharing, keeps on talking about their life, about their whereabouts, about their plans? Because these are the people na hindi nila nararamdaman na naririnig sila. And I don't know if ikaw din mismo sometimes ganyan ka, na gusto mo mag-share, but you want to be heard. You want to be heard by your mom, by your dad, by your siblings. Gusto mong naririnig ka. You know what? If you listen to understand to a person, sobrang uplifting yan sa puso. Sobrang ang laking push emotionally na may naririnig sila. And I don't know why, if ikaw mismo na nakikinig, you might be a victim of this kind of treatment when you start sharing, parang hindi mo nararamdaman if they are willing to listen to you. And sometimes you keep it to yourself. And sana, sa mga taong ako, I really love to talk. I really love to share my ideas, my opinions. But if I feel na hindi ako naririnig, I'll stop. I will stop. Been doing lectures all around Luzon and Visayas already in the past 10 years of my life. And sobrang sarap mga listeners na napapakinggan tayo. I hope na someone is listening to you. I hope the song that says somebody's out there for you, makita mo yan sa life mo. Maybe it's your friend, maybe it's your partner, maybe someone from your family. So, I hope you'll be heard kung mag-share ka, magtotalk ka, and you'll be valued, and you will be validated.